Bacolod.
For Bacolod, may ara sila training allowance, no? We call it training and conditioning allowance. That is 300 pesos for 35 days. So today, ma-receive nila 10,500 each. Cover na siya coaches, athletes, assistant coaches, chaperone, and trainers.
Wala na yan.
Para reha sila tanan. Aside from that, nagka-start na sila receive since Monday sang ilang shoes, sang ilang uniforms. May ara sila training and conditioning uniform, may ara sila playing uniform, parade uniform. Ang total delegation naton, athletes, coaches, assistant coaches, and chaperones, plus ang aton yung mga committee. We call them committee members, working committee naton, program management team naton, including sa aton mga city officials. We are banking on 1,200. But athletes alone, coaching staff, including trainers, may ara kita 902 ka mga members sa delegation. Of course, historically, no, ever since wala pa ta nag-separate sa Bacolod City, Bacolod City still playing for Negros Occidental as a province, 50% or more of the players na nagasaka sa regional meet halin sa Bacolod City. So we are preparing to retain our standing as a stand-alone delegation or improve our standing for 2026 para rong pambansa. Si Secretary Angara will be represented by Undersecretary Corbera due to a very hectic schedule of the Secretary. So isend niya sa aton our very own Yusek.
So hindi siya makakadto diri physically.
Yeah, physically hindi siya makakadto but well represented siya sa ating Undersecretary who is from Region 6 before. Kasi si Corbera is from Iloilo. Yes, of course, may ara kita mga city mayors coming from Oriental and Occidental. Even the governors are coming. So we are preparing, we are gearing up for one stronger Bacolod hosting for the first ever regional meet for Negros Island region.